Funky design, fun software, decent performance and long battery life. London-based tech firm Nothing's latest Android attempts to shake up the budget phone market with something a little more interesting. Costing from £319, the Phone 2a aims to take the cool design and intrigue that made its higher-end models stand out and package it up into something cheaper but still novel. Sits alongside the full-fat Phone 2 costing £579. The new model sticks with Nothing's cool, semi-see-through design. It has a big, smooth and bright OLED screen on the front with a semi-transparent back allowing you to see its interesting design elements, including the glyph LEDs that Nothing has made its trademark. The 3 LED strips on the back light up in complex patterns in time to tones, alerts or for timers and charging. The phone is made of plastic, rather than the metal and glass of the Phone 2, and the LEDs are only in the top section of the phone around the central camera module. But they can still perform complex patterns for ringtones and notifications, show the volume, charge percentage, timers and other fun things, such as a music visualizer. The phone feels smooth and well made, but the back plastic attracts dust like a magnet and picks up scratches fairly easily. Mid-range power with long battery life. The Phone 2a charges to 80% in 39 minutes and reaches full in just under an hour with a 45W power adapter. Inside the Phone 2a has a mid-range MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip, which performs pretty well for the price. The software feels snappy and smooth, apps load quickly and games run well. It can't match the performance of a high-end phone and gets pretty hot when gaming, but handles most tasks with aplomb. The Nothing has solid battery life too. The phone lasted a good 52 hours or 2 days between charges with general use, including several hours spent on 5G a day. Gaming dents the battery more than high-end rivals, consuming about 18% an hour playing Diablo Immortal for instance. Sustainability. The ribbons and patterns seen through the plastic back add a bit of interest, along with the LEDs. The device is made of recycled aluminium, copper, plastic, steel, tin and other materials accounting for 20% of the phone's weight. It has a carbon footprint of 52 kilograms carbon dioxide equivalent. Nothing OS 2.5. Nothing's dot matrix-inspired software has lots of interesting little touches and can be made to look quite different from a regular Android home screen. The phone runs Nothing OS 2.5, which is based on Android 14. The software offers a clutter-free experience but with an interesting visual design based around dot matrix art, widgets and icons. It can be styled to look just like regular Android, but it encourages you to fill your home screen with monochrome icons, big folders and widgets for a much more interesting experience. Like the fun glyph lights on the back, none of these customizations bog the phone down or get in the way of day-to-day tasks. Unfortunately, Nothing comes up short on software support, only offering 3 years of software updates and 4 years of bi-monthly security updates. When the best in the business now offer at least 7 years, 4 years just isn't good enough for your wallet or the planet, even in the budget market. Camera. The camera app is simple to use with enough features without being overloaded, but the level feature was a little too sensitive. The Phone 2a has two 50-megapixel cameras on the back and a 32-megapixel selfie camera that perform very similarly to the more expensive Phone 2. The main camera general takes good photos handling high-contrast scenes well. But it has a tendency to over-sharpen fine detail in bright light while struggling to preserve detail in middling to dim light. The ultra-wide camera produces decent shots too, but images look soft when viewed at full size. The phone has no telephoto camera with images captured beyond 2x digital zoom being poor. Still, the camera is decent for the money, though soundly beaten by Google's Pixel 6a or 7a, which can often be found around this price. Price. The Nothing Phone 2a costs £319. For comparison, the Nothing Phone 2 costs £499, the Google Pixel 7a costs £449 and the Samsung Galaxy A54 costs £349. Pros. Interesting design with glyph lights, good screen, decent performance, long battery life, slick Android 14 software, premium look feel at budget price, good fingerprint scanner, splash resistant. Cons. No optical zoom camera, only 4 years of security updates, camera not best in class, plastic back scratches easily.